Hello, my friends. Let's dive straight into today's session. The Aiyima A07 Amplifier. The box looks nice. Okay, let's open it up. This looks quite neatly packed. Inside we find the specs and instructions sheet. Next, let's take a look at the power adapter. Seems quite large. Here we have the Euro plug, which only has the two-prong AC connector. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Here it is, the Aiyima A07. It's a lovely two-channel amplifier. I have to say it feels nicely made. It has a nice and simple front panel. Here's a little size comparison with the power adapter. Can't wait to plug it in.